Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping back to the Camping Family channel. It's winter time. It is, I think it's January 12th, Sunday. But thought I would come out here. Sun's kind of peeking in and out. We're in our deep freeze of the winter. This is probably going to last another 3 weeks. I hope. I'm ready for warmth. You folks in the south, man, all I can do is shake my head. See what you're missing up here? Here, let me give you a little view. But I was outside doing the driveway yesterday and thought I'd come out and just do a little walk around of the camper, make sure everything is as it should be. I like to take a look, make sure no surprises. Starting in the front, you know. This is the kind of stuff I just like to... I don't like things piling up like this. I like to check my battery too while I'm here. Got the battery on its tender. That's that NoCo Genius that I mounted last year. And it's in its flashing green, so it's in standby mode. All is well with that and fully charged. Alright, let's close this up. Look around the sides. I just like to make sure my tire covers are in good shape and still on. Everything looks good with the awnings. We'll walk around here. It's pretty deep. It's always nice to see there's no tracks either. Nobody's been around here. Everything's good here. Tightened up, sealed. I do keep my RV plugged in. Let's just make sure all the lights are on, and they are. It's nice to have that watchdog there, so everything's good there. Off to the back. Don't see any issues. Needs a wash, that's for sure. Around the side. No icicles or anything. I'd like to knock those off too. Tire covers are in place, and I had to get into this bin today. Doing a little repair video. Let's go take a peek inside. Make sure everything's good inside. It's been about 2 weeks since I've been in here. Might be a little dark. Not sure that helped much, but there you go. Alright, what's going on inside here? Fridge has been propped open and still is. Don't want to get any mold in here. So that's all good. Microwave. All is well inside. Everything's fine around the sink. Freezer is open. No issues there. Let's go to the front. Just make sure everything's good up front. No water spots or anything. No signs of any issues. Everything's closed up pretty good. Slides all good. No issues here. Got all the drapes are all down. Closed up tight into the back. Let's turn on the light here. Any issues back here? It's pretty dark back here. Okay, slide back here is fine. No issues anywhere. Looking for anything out of the ordinary. Everything is as it was a month ago or whenever when I winterized. But I've got a story to tell about some stuff that happened last year I never talked about on video yet, so we're gonna have a good story time coming up here soon. Pretty kind of some drama. Always something happens with these rigs. I got one. So no issues in the bathroom at all. Everything looks good here. Nothing out of the ordinary. Toilet, everything was winterized. Got the purple in there, or the pink. So everything's good here. No issues here around the fan. And the cover's shut. All good there. All right. Yeah, there we go. Just a quick little walkthrough. Here in the winter, it's always good to check. Make sure everything is as it should be. No surprises. But yeah, let's see. That's going to be about it for this video. Just a first little 2025 video. Yeah, happy 2025, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. And we will see you on the next one.